Hey, it's Nimi from Channel 4 Breakfast. So have you ever had one of those days when you just want to go home?
It's not working.
But then your car lets you down and the hot heat takes its toll on your battery. JJ, please come and help. My car battery is dead.
Coming, señorita! Hey!
Sure, there may be friends around to help, but they aren't always the most experienced to help, are they? What are you doing?
Ah! Ah!
JJ, you are useless. I'm going to call the pros. You need to know about Dial a Battery. They are the real pros. Call them up on the super easy number 800 24/7 365. They arrive in quick time, just like a real superhero, to save your day. Thank goodness you're here. My battery's dead. Can you believe this is what I had to deal with? Dial a Battery have experienced technicians to make sure you get a new battery and that it's installed safely to send you on your way. Remember, Dial a Battery next time you're in need of help with your car battery. 800 24/7 365. Thank you so much. You saved my day. They helped me and they can help you too.